Welcome to our video on artificial intelligence concepts and applications. This is the first part of our Computer World Terminologies and Concepts series. Throughout this video, we will explore what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and its real-world applications in our daily lives. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by computers and machines. It enables systems to learn from data, recognize patterns, and perform tasks without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. AI systems can learn from experience and adapt their behavior, recognize complex patterns in data, make decisions independently, and perform sophisticated tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Think of AI as technology that gives machines the ability to think and act like humans. The history of artificial intelligence spans several decades. In 1950, Alan Turing published his groundbreaking work on computing machinery and intelligence. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum created ELIZA, an early chatbot that simulated a psychotherapist. In 1997, the Deep Blue computer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, marking a major milestone. In 2011, IBM's Watson won the game Show Jeopardy against human champions. And in 2020, GPT-3 was launched, revolutionizing how AI handles language and text generation. Artificial intelligence is already transforming numerous industries. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. Autonomous vehicles use AI to drive safely without human intervention. Robots powered by AI perform manufacturing and automation tasks efficiently. Natural language processing enables translation services and intelligent chatbots like virtual assistants. Computer vision allows machines to analyze and understand images, enabling facial recognition and medical imaging. In e-commerce, AI provides personalized product recommendations based on your browsing history and preferences. These are just some examples of how AI is reshaping our world today. There are three main categories of artificial intelligence. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is designed for specific tasks and cannot transfer its learning to other domains. All AI we see today is narrow AI, including virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition tools. General AI, or strong AI, is hypothetical AI with human-level intelligence that can learn and apply knowledge across different domains. This type of AI does not yet exist. Super AI, also known as artificial superintelligence, is theoretical AI that would surpass human intelligence. This also remains purely theoretical at this point. Machine learning and deep learning are two core technologies that power modern AI. Machine learning learns from labeled data using various algorithms to identify patterns. It requires feature engineering where humans manually select important data characteristics. Machine learning needs less computational power and includes algorithms like decision trees and support vector machines. Deep learning, on the other hand, uses neural networks with multiple layers that automatically learn features from raw data. It requires large datasets and significant GPU computing power. Deep learning techniques include convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and transformers, which are the foundation of modern generative AI. Generative AI is a category of artificial intelligence designed to create new content rather than just analyze existing data. These systems can generate human-like text and write articles. They can create realistic images and graphics from descriptions. Generative AI powers conversational chatbots that interact naturally with users. It can generate and debug software code, helping programmers write better programs. Generative AI can even compose music and create audio content. Large language models, or LLMs, are a type of generative AI trained on vast amounts of text data. They understand context and can have sophisticated conversations, answer questions, and help with creative writing tasks. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Key ethical principles include fairness and non-discrimination, ensuring AI systems treat all groups equally. Transparency and explainability means we should understand how AI makes decisions. Data privacy and security protect personal information used in AI systems. Human oversight and control ensures humans remain in charge of important decisions. Despite these principles, significant challenges exist. AI systems can inherit bias from training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Many AI systems work like black boxes where we cannot easily explain their decisions. These ethical challenges require careful attention as AI technology continues to advance. The future of artificial intelligence holds exciting possibilities. AI agents are autonomous systems that will perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Quantum AI combines quantum computing with artificial intelligence, potentially enabling exponentially faster processing. Advanced reasoning models will have improved problem-solving and logical thinking abilities beyond current systems. Edge AI moves processing from cloud servers to devices locally, enabling faster and more private computations. Scientific discovery will see AI accelerating breakthroughs in drug discovery, materials science, and other fields. Sustainable AI focuses on developing energy-efficient systems that reduce environmental impact. These trends will shape how AI evolves in the coming years. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. First, AI is transforming industries by automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enabling innovation across sectors. Second, machine learning and deep learning are core technologies that power modern AI applications. Third, generative AI is revolutionizing content creation and how humans interact with computers. Fourth, ethics, bias mitigation, and transparency are critical for developing AI responsibly and trustworthily. And finally, the future of AI will feature autonomous agents, advanced reasoning capabilities, and sustainable solutions. Thank you for watching this introduction to artificial intelligence. Subscribe for more videos in our Computer World Terminologies and Concepts series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.